Listen, I'm not a liar, I'm hitting high notes Mariah each time. I'm coming custom like my rhymes, I make you bust one out. It's a shame to talk, ruin the game. Tupac's fair exchange, if it's worth it, I'll return it. And I don't want no one to see the way it is, just you and me. Got a track record that's like a ghost story, don't tell it yet, wait till the night. Don't worry, cause when the lines get blurry, then the hoes go scurrying. This is the way it's supposed to. Sorry, I know what you want, me singing this song to you, but don't watch this video thinking I'm wanting you, cause you just another funky old dude from the set hitting on young chicks who don't know what a bum is yet. From the Budget Inn to the Motel 6, now you stay with your grandma, donating your plasma. I used to do it too with guys like you. Money for weed, but you can't buy no food. Humping for free. Boy, get out and pump this gasoline. I know what you want, but I'm giving you what you need.